सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कार and welcome to our 148th class today, 9th April. We had to skip one more class in between, some reason. So today we are on page 108 with exercise number 40, Abhyasa. Chatvarimshah Abhyasah, and page 105. 105, class number is 148. So what we are actually doing here is studying Dvitiya Diksha. Dvitiya Diksha, of course, Vyavahara Priya, and Dvitiya Vibhakti is being studied here. In the book Dvitiya Diksha, we are concentrating on Dvitiya Vibhakti, second case. Very extensively we are going through with all the exercises, and in the previous page we came across Srinivas words like Ubhayataha, Sarvataha, Abhitaha, Paritaha, Samaya, Nikasha, Prati, Dik, Ha, Vina, etc. They demand Dvitiya Vibhakti, and we have seen the usages in the previous 104 page. Now today we open with Abhyasa 40. Srinivas, you can read. So we have to put the first word given in the box into Dvitiya Vibhakti. Nadim Ubhayataha Vrikshaha. What is given to understand is Santi. The verb you can consider as implied, Santi. Similarly, Mandiram. Mandiram Ubhayataha Udyanani. So Mandiram, the word Mandiram does not undergo change because it is Napumsakalinga, neutral noun. Nadi, whereas Nadi goes to Dvitiya as Nadim Ubhayataha Vrikshaha. Mandiram Ubhayataha Udyanani Santi. We can, for the sake of completing the sentence, take Santi, help of the verb, understood. Mandiram Ubhayataha Udyanani Santi. There are gardens around the temple. There are trees around a river, on both the sides of the river. Ubhayataha, Nadim Ubhayataha Vrikshaha. On both the sides of the river there are trees. On both the sides of temple there are gardens. Third one, Nagaram Ubhayataha Vapyav. So similarly, Vapyav is Dvitiya. Vapi Vapyav. This is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda, whereas Udyanani is Napumsakalinga Shabda. Udyanam, Udyani, Udyanani. Ikaranta, Nadi like. Vapi, lake. So Nagaram Ubhayataha, on both the sides of the city there are lakes. Vapyav, two lakes only. So on each side one lake, like Vapi, Vapyav, Vapyaha. Sajjanam Ubhayataha Durjanaha Santi. You can say Sajjanam, put Sajjana in Dvitiya. Sajjanam Ubhayataha. On both the sides of a good person there are Durjanaha, bad person. Next step. Bhaktaha Bhavanti or Santi. Pujakaha becomes Pujakam. Pujakam Ubhayataha Bhaktaha Santi or Bhavanti. On both the sides of the worshipper in the temple, devotees will be standing. Like in a temple, in any Hindu temple you go to, on both the sides of the worshipper there will be devotees standing. So Pujakam Ubhayataha Bhaktaha Santi Bhavanti. Next. Krishnam Ubhayataha Gopaha Santi Bhavanti. Yeah, Santi is better. Krishnam, Krishnaha is given Prathama. Krishnam Ubhayataha. On both the sides of Krishna there are cowherds. Gopaha, there are cowherds. Yes. Gauhu, Gam. Gam Ubhayataha Vatsaha Santi. Santi is commonly we are taking. So Gam Ubhayataha, on both the sides of the cow there are the calves. Vatsaha, calves are there. Calves are there on both the sides of the cow. Gauhu becomes Gam. Gauhu, Gavau, Gavah, Gam, Gavau, Gaha. Next, Bhumi. Bhumim Ubhayataha Lokaha Santi. Bhumim Ubhayataha. On both the sides of on either side of the earth, there are people. Lokaha means people are there, or worlds are there. Next, Nadi. Once again, Nadim. Nadim Ubhayataha Tate Staha. Now, Tati, Tatam, Tate, Tatani. Tatam. Tatam means the shore. On both the sides of the river, there are shores. Tatam, Tate. Guruhu, Gurum Ubhayataha Chatraha Santi. Gurum Ubhayataha. On both the sides of the teacher, there are students. Then last one in this box. On both the sides of the house, there are 2 trees. There are 2 trees on both sides of the house. Gurham Abhita Ubhayataha Vrukshau, Vrikshaha Vrukshau. This is a Pumlinga masculine noun. Now in the second set of practice, we are supposed to do the same Dvitiya, but the word used here is Paritaha, around. Ubhayataha means on both sides, Paritaha means around. Deepam Paritaha Kitaha Santi Bhavanti, whatever verb you choose, you take it. So Deepaha becomes Deepam Paritaha. Around the lamp there are insects. Kitaha Santi. Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is Napumsaka, it changes, it doesn't change. Rameshwaram Paritaha. Around the Rameshwaram. Sagaraha Asti. Asti is understood. There is the ocean around the Rameshwaram. Kshetram Paritaha Jalam Asti. There is water around the field. Kshetram Paritaha. Around the field there is Jalam, water. Aham Mitrani Paritaha. Aham means you convert into Dvitiya. Mam. Mam Paritaha Mitrani Santi. Friends are there around me. Mam Paritaha. You can't say Aham Paritaha. Mam Paritaha Mitrani Santi. So similarly, Deshaha become Desham Paritaha Sainikaha Bhavanti Santi. So around the country there are the soldiers. There are soldiers around the country. Katha Vachakam Paritaha Bhaktaha Santi. Katha Vachakaha becomes Vachakam, storyteller. Around the storyteller there are devotees. Vadhuhu becomes Vadhum Paritaha Striyaha Santi. There are women around a bride. Vadhum Paritaha. Then Dhenuhu becomes Dhenum Paritaha Ghasaha Santi. There are grass around the cow. There are grasses around the cow. Dhenum Paritaha Ghasaha Santi. In Hindi we say ghas, ghans, ghasaha. Draupadim Paritaha Shatika Asti. Around Draupadi there is sari. There is sari around Draupadi. Mata becomes in Dvitiya Mataram Paritaha Putraha Santi. Mataram Paritaha. Around mother, sons are there. Vidyalayam Paritaha Prachirani Santi. Prachiram, Prachire, Prachirani, fence. Fences are there. Wall or otherwise. Vidyalayam Paritaha Prachirani Santi. So Prachiram, Prachire, Prachirani, wall or fence it means. So rapidly going again, put all these listed words in Dvitiya to get the usage right. Ubhayataha demands the noun in Dvitiya. Paritaha also demands the noun to be in Dvitiya. Nadim, Mandiram, Nagaram, Sajjanam, Pujakam, Krishnam, Gam, Bhumim, Nadim, Gurum, Gruham, Deepam, Rameshwaram, Kshetram, Aham, Desham, Kathavachakam, Vadhum, Dhenum, Draupadim, Mataram, Vidyalayam. That is, I think writing is not required. Simple it is. So second part of this page is Upari Dattayoho Manjushayoho Adharena Yathodaharanam Vakyani. Now you write sentences on the basis of the above. as you have done, now you practice. This is for the practice purpose. So already one is given. Nadim ubhayataha vrikshaha santi. This is where we have to write, I think. Next one. Mandiram ubhayataha udyanani santi. So example is giving the verb also, santi, readily done. Second one, nagaram ubhayataha udyanani santi. So I think they can do now. Shall we write, Srinivas? Any difficult? Only I repeat, the word gauhu becomes gam. You number it, mata will write. Very difficult, two words, somewhat difficult, not very difficult. What is where is Gau?
Gau.
Number is, you have to count now.
6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Sixth becomes Gam. Ubhayataha. Next, any difficult word? Gam ubhayataha. Gruham, simple. Aham. Number, can you give me the number?
Number is,
you have to count from here.
Part 2, third.
Part 2, third one. Aham becomes mam. Mam paritaha.
Yes.
Mam paritaha.
And the 9th one, Mata.
In part 2,
Yes.
Mata becomes Mataram. The remaining are very easy, so I am not writing. Gam ubhayataha. The word Gau who becomes Gam. Gauhu Pratama, this is Dvitiya. Aham, this is Dvitiya, this is Pratama. Mata, this is Dvitiya, this is Pratama. So we can very easily go to the next page, 106th page now. 41 Abhyasa. Eka Chatvarimshaha Abhyasaha. Now here what are you supposed to do? Write the answers with the help of the words given in the brackets. Okay. Vina. Here is Vina is used. Vina. Vina also demands the word in Dvitiya and also Tritiya, but here Dvitiya is supposed to be. Kim Vina Meenaha na Jivati. There is a question given here. Kim Vina Meenaha na Jivati. Without what the fish cannot live. So Jala is given. Jalam Vina Meenaha na Jivati. Without water, fish cannot live. So like that, we have to take the word given in the bracket, put it in the Dvitiya. Okay, read Srinivas. Kim?
Kim vina prani na jivati.
Vayu, who is there? Vayum vina. So answer would be Vayum vina prani na jivati. A living being cannot live without air. A living being cannot live without air. Vayum, you put Vayuhu in Vayum vina. This we can write down rapidly. 2.
Kim vina muktihi nasti. Jnanam vina.
Since Jnanam is Napumsaka, in the second Vibhakti, Dvitiya, it comes as it is. Jnanam vina muktihi nasti. There is no mukti, what we call liberation, without knowledge. Third one.
Kim vina gruham
Apurnam asti.
Gruhini.
Without which the house is empty. The question is, Kim vina, without what the house is empty. Not empty, house is not full. Apurnam. So, Gruhinim vina. Gruhinim vina gruham apurnam asti. Without a housewife, the house is incomplete. Fourth,
किं विना पाठः कण्ठस्थः न भवति
without what the lesson does not get memorized. So, abhyasam vina patah kantastha na bhavati. So, without practice, lesson cannot be memorized. Fifth,
किं विना भाषायाः
yaha shuddham.
शुद्धं ज्ञानं न भवति.
So, meaning is without what the knowledge of language is pure. Without which vyakaranam vina, without the knowledge of vyakarana grammar, bhashayah shuddham jnanam na bhavati. You cannot have the knowledge of, correct knowledge of language. Shuddham jnanam, knowledge of. So bhasha vyakaranam vina. Sixth,
किं विना जीवनं व्यर्थमस्ति.
vidyam vina jivanam vyarthamasti. Without what life is a waste. Without vidya, education, learning, life is a waste. So vidyam vina jivanam vyartham bhavati. Yes, kim vina?
सभा न शोभते.
Without whom or what the assembly does not shine. Vruddham vina. Jnana vruddha. Jnana vruddham. Jnana is understood. Vruddham vina sabha na shobhati. An assembly does not look good, shine without an elderly, knowledgeable elderly person. So vruddham is answer. Kim?
किं विना प्रीतिः न भवति.
Without which love is not there. Sadvyavaharam vina. Without good conduct, preeti, affection will not be there.
किं विना सफलता नास्ति.
Without what success is there. Shramam vina safalata nasti. Without shrama, industry, hard work, without hard work, shramam vina safalata na asti. There is no success without hard work. Right.
किं विना सुखं नास्ति.
Shantim vina sukham nasti. This is also very simple. I may orally go slowly to tell the answers. One is Vayum vina. One answer is Vayum. Put Vayu in Dvitiya. Vayuhu, Vayu, Vayavaha. Vayum, Vayu, Vayun. I am deriving all the 6 forms. Vayum is the answer. For second, Jnanam is Napumsakalinga Akaranta. Therefore, it stands same as Jnanam. So, Jnanam vina Muktihi Nasti. Gruhini is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda. And you put it in Dvitiya Ekavachana, Gruhinim vina, Gruhinim, just put Anuswara, Gruhinim vina Gruham Apurnam Asti. Then fourth one is Abhyasaha is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda, convert into Dvitiya, Abhyasam vina, Pataha Kantastaha na bhavati. Vyakaranam is Napumsakalinga Shabda, Akaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda, Vyakaranam vina, without grammar. So it goes. Vidya is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda. In Dvitiya Ekavachana it becomes Vidyam vina Jivanam Vyarthamasti. Vruddhaha is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Put it in Dvitiya Vruddham vina Sabhana Shobhati. Sadvyavaharaha converts as Sadvyavaharam vina. Without good conduct there is no affection. Sramaha is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda likewise and put it in Dvitiya as Sramam vina Safalata nasti. And the 10th one is Shantihi. This is Ikaranta Strilinga Shabda and it goes to Dvitiya as Shantim vina Sukham nasti. There is no happiness without peace. So I think this is very simple and I do not find any difficult word as such to derive. So we can go to Abhyasa 42. Prathama Vakyasya Adharena Dik Shabda Yuktam Dvitiyam Vakyam Likata. Now there is some exercise here, 9 sentences. The use of dhik is to be used here. Now one is done for you, only 9 sentences, 10 out of 10, one is readily done. Now read this, Srinivas. Ye
राजनीतिज्ञाः सेवां न कुर्वन्ति.
Tan
राजनीतिज्ञां
dhik. So dhik means, as we have already said, dhik means a kind of condemnation. Dhik means fie upon. Fie upon such. Ye rajanitignah, those politicians, sevam, ye rajanitignah sevam na kurvanti, those politicians who do not do the service to the society, tan, them, rajanitignaan, those politicians, dhikai, fie upon this, fie upon those politicians. So we put here, with dhik we have to take dvitiya only. Raja niti gnan. Whereas in the first line, Raja niti gnaha is there. That is the prathama, bahuvachana. Here it is dvitiya bahuvachana. Raja niti gnan. Devan like. So first one to be done is read.
Ye arakshakaah choram na grunhanti.
Tan arakshakan dhik. So we do it. Ye arakshakaah, those police cops, choram na gruhnanti, who do not catch the thief. Those police personnel who do not catch the thief, tan arakshakan, those policemen, dhik, fie upon them. Second one.
Ye brahmanaah vedan na pathanti.
Tan
brahmanan
dhik. Ye brahmanaah vedan na patanti, those brahmanas who do not study the Veda, tan brahmanan, those the Brahmins who do not study the Veda, those Brahmins, tan brahmanan dhik, fie upon those such type of Brahmanas. Third.
Ye putraah sevaya
Pitaro
na
prinayanti.
Tan
Putran dhik. Tan putran dhik. Ye putraha, such sons who sevaya, with their service, pitarau na prinayanti, who do not please their parents. Pitarau na prinayanti. Pita, pitarau, pitaraha. Mata, pita, matacha, pitacha. Here is not two fathers here, mother and father. Matacha, pitacha is equal to pitarau. This is ekasesha dvandva samasa. Matacha, pitacha becomes pitarau. Under ekasesha dvandva, you lose one word and you remain with one word. Mata is gone, pita remains. So pitarau means matacha, pitacha. Pitarau here parents. Ye putraha sevaya, with their service, pitarau na prinayanti. Tan putran dhik, such, fie upon such sons who do not please their parents with their service. Fourth.
Ye vaidyaah roginam
Upacharam na kurvanti. Tan
vaidyan
dhik. Tan vaidyan dhik. Ye vaidyaah, those doctors, roginam upacharam, who do not serve the patients. Such doctors who do not serve the patients, fie upon such doctors. Tan vaidyan dhik. Tan vaidyan dhik. Fifth.
Yah karmachari karma na karoti.
Tam karmacharinam. This is karmacharin shabda. Karmacharin, innanta, nakaranta. Karmachari, karmacharinau, karmacharinah. Karmacharinam, karmacharinau, karmacharinah. So, tam karmacharinam dhik. Meaning is, yaha karmachari means that worker who does not do his work. Yaha karmachari, the worker who does not do his work, tam karmacharinam dhik, fie upon such a worker. Sixth.
Kakshayam ye
Adhyetara.
na pathanti.
Tan adhyetrun. Dhik. So here is the shabda adhyetru shabda, like dhatru. Adhyeta, adhyetaro, adhyetaraha. Prathama. Repeat. Adhyeta, adhyetaro, adhyetaraha. Dvitiya. Adhyetaram, adhyetaro, adhyetrun. We will write. This is difficult. This we have to write. Seventh.
यः विद्यार्थी
थी
ब्रह्मचर्यं न
पालयति
तं ब्रह्मचारिं
तम विद्यार्थिनम, विद्यार्थिन शब्द, दिस इज ऑल्सो विद्यार्थी, विद्यार्थिनौ, विद्यार्थिनः, विद्यार्थिनम, विद्यार्थिनौ, विद्यार्थिनः, तम विद्यार्थिनम धिक्। 8
याः भार्याः भर्तारं न सेवन्ते
ताः,
भार्यान्
not bharyan, ताः भार्याः, same it comes, भार्या is आकारांत स्त्रीलिंग शब्द, भार्या, भार्ये, भार्याः, भार्याम, भार्ये, भार्याः, ताः भार्याः धिक्। So those women, wives who do not serve their husband, the wives who do not serve their husbands, fie upon such wives. ताः भार्याः धिक्। 9th
या माता शिशुं न पालयति सर।
पालयति, that is payati. Acha, payati is also correct. Payati means who does not give milk.
या माता शिशुं न पालयति ताम
mataram धिक्. So the meaning here is that mother who does not give milk to her child, who does not feed her child with milk, breastfeeding, this is, that mother who does not do the breastfeeding to her child, tam mataram धिक्. So some are to be written here, Srinivas. Some are. So what are easier? One is easier, Brahmanan is easier, Putran, Vaidyan. 5th onwards we will write. This is Abhyasa number 42. Number? No?
5, so serial number.
Oh, yeah, serial number 5.
कर्मचारिणं number 6 also is. तान् अध्येतॄन्
तान् अध्येतॄन्. Next. 7. विद्यार्थिनम. Next. ताः भार्याः. तम ताम. अच्छा, ओके. एकवचनं मातरं. माता is there.
Yes.
So here this is that. कर्मचारिणम अध्येतॄन् विद्यार्थिनम भार्याः मातरम. These are all द्वितीयास. All are second cases. So 42nd is done, 43rd needs to be taken up. तिष्ठति इत्येतस्य स्थाने अधितिष्ठति इत्येतत् क्रियापदम् उपयुज्य द्वितीयां विभक्तिं संयोज्य वाक्यानि लिखत. Now we are going to practice as we did it in the previous class. Srinivas, if you remember, tishtati with upasarga, one preposition adhi, it changes. Adhitishtati, it becomes, verb becomes adhitishtati, but saptami, from saptami the subject will be going to Dvitiya Vibhakti. Asane tishtati. Asane tishtati. If you use adhi to tishtati, asanam adhitishtati, is sitting on the chair. Asane, saptami to, it goes down to Dvitiya. Dvitiya. That is what we are going to see. Now English also it is. Replace the word tishtati with adhitishtati and write the sentences using accusative. Accusative means objective case. Accusative case or objective case both mean Dvitiya Vibhakti, please remember. So Udaharana is given here. Sivaha Himalaye tishtati. Shiva stays in the Himalaya. But with the preposition added to the verb tishtati, adhi, the Himalaye changes to Himalayam. Sivaha Himalayam adhitishtati. Means the same. Meaning part does not change. Only the word put in Saptami goes to Dvitiya. Himalaye goes to watch Himalayam adhitishtati. Similarly, Vishnu Vaikunthe. So Vishnu Vaikuntham adhitishtati. Vishnu stays in the Vaikuntha. Raja Sane tishtati. Raja Simhasanam adhitishtati. King sits on the throne. Raja Simhasanam adhitishtati also means king sits on the throne, sitting on the throne. Meaning part does not change. So here too, Vaikunte becomes Vaikuntham, Simhasane becomes Simhasanam, adhitishtati, adhitishtati. More followed? Yes.
Mama Bhagini Dehalyam tishtati.
Yes.
Mama Bhagini.
Mama Bhagini Dehalim tishtati. Dehalim adhitishtati. Mama Bhagini Dehalim adhitishtati. Dehalyam is Saptami Ekavachana of, this is not a Sanskrit word Dehali, but we have converted. Dehali is like Nadi, Nadyam. So bring it back to, Dvitiya Ekavachana, Dehalim, Nadim like Dehalim adhitishtati. Fourth one.
Tasyaha patihi
Gehe.
tishtati.
So, now here, those who are following our class, the answer in your book is given as Gruham. But here the question is Geha. Geham means Gruham only. Geham, Gruham, no difference. I checked in the answer book, it is Geham given as Gruham only. Answer is given not Geham, Gruham. It doesn't matter. So please don't get confused. Geham, Gruham both mean same, Gruham only. So Tasyaha Patihi. So this is something, this sentence has some connection with the third sentence. Mama Bhagini, my sister, stays in Delhi. So this sentence is connected with that. Fourth one. Tasyaha Patihi, her husband. Tasyaha Patihi, her husband. Gehe tishtati, stays at home. That means my sister's husband, my brother-in-law doesn't do any work. It means that. So when we convert into adhitishtati, tasyaha patihi, if you take geha as it is, geham adhitishtati or griham adhitishtati. If we change this gehe into gruham, gruhe tishtati, then in the right side, gruham adhitishtati or geham adhitishtati. Fifth one. Shakuntala stays in the ashrama of Kanva Maharshi. Shakuntala, that story of Mahabharata. Shakuntala ashramam adhitishtati. Shakuntala ashramam adhitishtati. Sixth.
Devaha swarge tishtanti.
So, Devaha swarge tishtanti. Where are the gods staying? Devaha swarge tishtanti. They are staying in the heaven. So we convert this Swarga into Dvitiya Swargam. Devaha Swargam adhitishtanti. Seventh. Ishvaraha Hridaye tishtati says the Gita. Ishvaraha Sarva Bhutanam Hriddeshe Arjuna tishtati. Brahmayan Sarva Bhutani Yantrarudani Mayaya. So Ishvara stays in the heart. Ishvaraha Hridayam अधितिष्ठति. Eighth, सिंहः
अरण्ये तिष्ठति.
सिंहः अरण्यम् अधितिष्ठति. अधितिष्ठति. Ninth, ग्राहः
ग्राहः जले तिष्ठति.
ग्राहः जले तिष्ठति. क्रोकोडैल, एलिगेटर. ग्राहः जलम् अधितिष्ठति.
पक्षिणः वृक्षे तिष्ठन्ति.
पक्षिणः वृक्षम् अधितिष्ठन्ति. वृक्षम् अधितिष्ठन्ति. So it's very simple, dear friends. To follow this, all the words which are given here should be put in Dvitiya. We'll go back once again. I am going to the first one. Vishnuhu Vaikuntham Adhitishtati. Like the example, Shivaha Himalayam Adhitishtati. You write out. Vishnuhu Vaikuntham Adhitishtati. Raja Simhasanam Adhitishtati. Mama Bhagini Dehalim Adhitishtati. Dehalim should be written as, I will show it if you find it difficult, because it is not a Sanskritized word, it is not Sanskrit word. ఈ పెన్ను తీసి పడేయాలి. Since the verb is beginning with a vowel, you write adhitishtati, ma like this. Adhitishtati, verb follows. Here is a vowel, na? So we write out makara like this, ma. If there is no vowel, we make it anuswara. Dehalim adhitishtati. This is the only change here. And then fourth one is tasyaha patihi. So here I told you just now that in the answer book gruham is given. Gruham, geham both are same. So either you put geha shabda or gruha shabda, doesn't matter. Tasyaha patihi geham adhitishtati or gruham adhitishtati. Fifth one, Shakuntala ashramam adhitishtati. Devaha swargam adhitishtanti. Ishwaraha hrudayam adhitishtati. Simhaha aranyam adhitishtati. Graha, which means crocodile, I am repeating. Graha, an alligator. Jalam adhitishtati, lives in the water. Pakshinaha, birds. Vriksham adhitishtanti, stay on the tree. Birds stay on the tree. So this is also a very simple abhyasa. 43 is done. 44 is at our disposal. Vakyani samshodhayata. Now we are supposed to correct the sentences. Now here is a real test for the learners. Yes, Srinivas. Where is the mistake? Is already crossed it. Mistake has been crossed. Gruhasya paritaha udyanam asti. Is it correct or wrong? Wrong. So it should be, already one example is given. Gruham paritaha udyanam asti. There is a garden around a house. Next. Gramasya it is. You have to see it carefully. Is it visible in the computer? So that is wrong. Gramasya is wrong. You have to put in Dvitiya there. Gramam ubhayataha nadyau vahataha. There are two rivers on both sides of the village. Third one. Manche. So manche is saptami. Mancha means seat. Sabhapatihi mancham adhitishtati. Mancham adhitishtati. So put bhumehe in Dvitiya. Bhume is shashti. Bhumim ubhayataha jalam asti. Yes.
Chorasya dhik.
Choram dhik. Choram dhik. Anushasanasya
vina vidyalayah na chalati.
Anushasanam vina. Anushasanam vina. Not anushasanasya vina. Anushasanam vina vidyalayah na chalati. School does not run. A school cannot run without discipline. Anushasanam vina. Sixth. So mama is wrong. Since it is shashti, we have to use Dvitiya. Mam ubhayataha. Mam ubhayataha mitrani santi.
सरोवरस्य परितः बकाः सन्ति.
There are cranes around the lake. There are cranes around the lake. Sarovarasya has to be replaced by Dvitiya of the same word. Sarovaram paritaha bakaha santi. Yes, eighth one.
भक्ष्यस्य परितः
Grudraha dayanti. Bhakshyam means eatable. Eatable, any eatable. Around the eatable food, Grudraha, vultures are flying. Vultures are flying around the eatable. So, Bhakshyam paritaha Grudraha dayanti. The vultures are flying. Ninth.
रमेशस्य अर्धं वाक्यं मुखे अधितिष्ठति.
Rameshasya ardham vakyam mukham adhitishtati. Ramesh, the half sentence of Ramesh stays in his mouth. Half sentence. Rameshasya ardham vakyam mukham adhitishtati. Mukhe is wrong because adhi is coming in the verb. Mukham adhitishtati. 10th one.
वेदिनिन्दकस्य धिक्.
Vedanindakasya dik. Vedanindakam dik. 5 upon. So any difficult words, Srinivas, just check. One is gramasya gramam, sabapati manche mancham, bhumehe bhumim, chorasya choram, anushasanasya anushasanam. Mama is changing to, just tell me the number, I will write. X abhyasa is changing, na? Number
6.
This mama, which is wrong, should change to mom. Mom, what is following verb? Avita. Ubhayata. Okay, mom. This is correct. Next. One more difficult word.
Bhakshyasya.
Bhakshyam number
8.
Bhakshyam. Vedanindakam. This is wrong. Dik, this is. So this is a simple exercise. Now we are going to be introduced to another concept that is there in Sanskrit grammar. Dvikarmakani vakyani. So far we have studied verbs with one karma, eka karma. That means in a sentence there will be one subject in any English sentence or otherwise any language. A sentence contains mostly verb, subject and predicate, whatever it is, object. So, boy eats a fruit. Let us take one example. Balaha phalam khadati. Balakaha phalam khadati. Balakaha karta, phalam karma, khadati kriya. Right? It is so in English grammar also. Boy eats a fruit, is eating a fruit. Boy is subject, fruit is object, eating is verb. But in Sanskrit there are dvikarmakas, which are, this is a special usage. We study under special. So here read the following sentences and directly you are introduced to this. I will explain after reading these sentences. Gopaha gam payaha dogdhi. Now, Gopa is a cow shepherd, cowherd. Okay? Sorry. Gopaha kim karoti? What is the cowherd doing? Gopaha dogdhi is milking. What is he milking? Milk. A cowherd is milking the cow here. So there are two karmas here. There are two karmas means two objects. One is the main karma or main object, and another is called secondary karma, which is called that is secondary gauna, you can say. Mukhya karma is payaha. What is he doing? He is milking. Milk is main. Gopaha payaha dogdhi. This is the main object. But there is one more object coming, gam. Milking the milk from the cow. Understand? So cow is also another object here. Gam payaha dogdhi gopaha. A cowherd is milking the cow. Meaning in English would be, the cowherd is milking the cow. So milk is one object, cow is another object. Milk is primary object, cow is a secondary object or subordinate object. It is given in English also for them to follow. These are the uses having two objects, karma. One of them is main karma, it is given in the book, and the other is subordinate. For example, in the first example, payaha, milk, is main karma, whereas the word gam is subordinate. Similarly, in the second example, panthanam is main karma, manavakam is subordinate. In the third example, dhanam is main karma, sreshtinam is subordinate one. So you have to understand this way. Try to understand this slowly. Vruddhaha, second example you take. Read, Srinivas. Vruddhaha manavakam panthanam uchati. Now let us take out manavaka for a while. Vruddhaha, kaschit vruddhaha, some old man, panthanam pruchati, is inquiring about road. Panthanam, about the way. Whom is he asking? He is asking about road, path, way. Panthanam is this word pantha is close to path in English, P-A-T-H. Panthanam pruchati. Kaha pruchati? Vruddhaha pruchati. Kam adhikritya pruchati, panthanam adhikritya pruchati. He is asking about the way, about the path. Whom is he asking? Manavakam. He is asking a boy. An old man is asking about the road, a boy. An old man is inquiring from a boy about the road, about the way. In English you have to say like this. An old man is inquiring from a boy about the way to go. Vruddha manavakam panthanam pruchati. Now look at these two words being put in Dvitiya. Manavakam balakam panthanam margam. Let us use marga shabda. Margam. Balakam margam pruchati. Kaha pruchati? Vruddhaha pruchati. An old man is asking about the way. So this way two are allowed in these cases. Only with some special verbs, this is a list of verbs are there, only with them these two objects are allowed, otherwise not. It may be given later. Let us see. Read the third one.
Bhikshukaha sreshtinam dhanam yachati.
Here is a bhikshukaha, a mendicant, a beggar. Dhanam yachati, is asking for money. Whom is he asking for money? What is he directly asking? Money. What is he is indirectly asking? A money person. Sreshtinam, the rich man. So, bhikshukaha sreshtinam dhanam yachati. supplicant or a beggar in Indian language is asking for money from a rich man, a businessman, you can say. Balakah.
Balakah andham gramam nayati.
So here is a verb nayati, taking. Balakah, boy, nayati is taking. Gramam, so leading to the village. Whom is he leading? Andham gramam nayati. He is leading or showing the path to a blind man. Understand, Srinivas? Balakaha andham gramam nayati. A boy is leading, taking an old blind man to the village. Andham gramam nayati.
Sadhu
Nagarikan
hitam vadati.
Sadhuhu vadati. A wise man or a holy man is telling about hitam, good things, to the Nagarikan, to the citizens. A holy man is telling good things to the citizens. Sadhuhu Nagarikan uddishya hitam vadati. A sadhu is telling good things about telling good things to the citizens. Nagarikan is dvitiya bahuvachana. Nagarikam, nagarikau, nagarikan. Right. Next. Sishuhu.
Shishuhu mataram bhojanam pruchhati.
Now look at this word. Sishuhu, a child, bhojanam pruchhati, is asking about food. Whom is he asking indirectly? The indirect object is mataram. Sishuhu mataram bhojanam pruchhati. An infant or a boy, an infant is asking for food from his mother. Right.
Kavihi sahrudayam kavitam
Sravayati. A poet is reciting, Sravayati, reciting is poetry to the Sahrdayan, to the listeners, to the good listeners. So the words Sahrdayan is Dvitiya Bahuvachana, Kavitam Dvitiya Ekavachana, both are put in Dvitiya Vibhakti and both are objectives. Sahrdayan Kavitam Sravayati. Sravayati is a verb in a causal sense. Is not reading. Sravayati means is making them listen. Right. Next.
Valmikihi Sitam Ashramam Anayat.
Anayat. Yes. Valmikihi Anayat. Valmiki took. What did he take? Sitam Anayat. Where did he take? Ashramam Anayat. Valmikihi Sitam Ashramam Anayat. Valmiki took Sita to the ashrama. So there are two things here. Taking to the ashram and taking Sita with him. So Valmikihi Sitam Ashramam Anayat. Sitam word, ashrama word, both are put in Dvitiya. Next. Sadhuhu.
Sadhuhu Mahilam Bhagyam Braviti.
Sadhuhu Braviti. Vadati. Braviti means tells. A sadhu is telling to a woman about her fortune. Now what is he telling? Bhagyam or fortune to a woman. Sadhuhu Mahilam Bhagyam Braviti. Oh, don't be frightened with the word Braviti means here. Braviti means Vadati. You can change that word to Vadati. Kathayati. Sadhuhu Mahilam Bhagyam Kathayati Vadati. A sadhu is telling about the fortune to a woman. Understand? Mahila Shabda, which is Akaranta Strilinga Shabda, is put in Dvitiya Ekavachana. Bhagya Shabda is also taking Dvitiya Anta, which is Napumsaka in the Pratama Dvitiya Ekavachana. Bhagyam Mahilam. Sadhuhu Mahilam Bhagyam Vadati Braviti. Okay. Gopaha.
Gopaha Krishnam
Vrindavanam Pruchanti. So Gopaha, the cowherds are inquiring from Krishna about the way to Vrindavan. Gopaha Krishnam Dvitiya Ekavachana Krishnam Vrindavanam Pruchanti. Gopas, cowherds do not know the way to go to Vrindavan, therefore they are inquiring from Krishna. So Krishna word and Vrindavana both are put in Dvitiya here, Dvikarmakas. Gopaha Krishnam Vrindavanam Pruchanti. They are directly asking about Vrindavana, therefore Vrindavana becomes the main object and Krishna becomes the subordinate object, secondary object. Next. Karma
Karmacharinaha
Shramikan.
Shramikan Karyam Kathayanti.
So Karmacharinaha Kathayanti. Now here workers are telling about the work to the workers, to other workers, you can say. Shramikan means to the tillers. So Shramika Shabda, Shramika means here the workers also, or the hard workers, tillers, you can say. Karmacharinaha Karyam Kathayanti, Shramikan Karyam Kathayanti. That means they are allotting work, maybe karmacharis. Karmacharinaha means performers. Performers are telling about the work to the workers. Right. Next. Pita.
Putram Vidyalayam Nayati.
So Pita Nayati, father takes. Whom is he taking? Putram Nayati. Kutra Nayati, Vidyalayam Nayati. So Pita Putram Vidyalayam Nayati. Two words put in the Dvitiya here. Father takes his son to the school here. So school is primary, Putra is secondary. Next.
Adhyapakaha Chhatran Patham Pruchanti.
So Adhyapakaha Patham Pruchanti. The teachers are asking about the taught lesson. Here given to understand is taught lesson. Patita Patham Pruchanti. So Adhyapakaha, the teachers are Pruchanti, asking about what? Patham, about the lesson. Whom are they asking? Chhatran, the student. Teachers are asking about a lesson to the students. Chhatran, you can see it is in Dvitiya. Chatram, Chatrau, Chatran. Pata Shabda is also Pullinga in Ekavachana, Dvitiya Ekavachana. Patham, Patau, Pathan, Patham Pruchanti. Adhyapakaha Pruchanti. Kim Pruchanti? Patham Pruchanti. Kan Pruchanti? Chatran Pruchanti. Next, Munihi.
Munihi.
Dustan Vinayam
Dustan Vinayam
Ayachat. A sage begged for discipline or from the wicked people. A sage begged of wicked people for discipline. Munihi, a sage, Dustan, Dusta Purushan, Vinayam Ayachat. He begged the wicked people to be disciplined. Vinayam Ayachat. Vinaya Shabda is Dvitiya Ekavachana. Dusta Shabda is also Dvitiya Bahuvachana. Next. Duhitaraha.
Duhitaraha Ajam Payaha
Aduhan.
Aduhan.
Duhitaraha, daughters. Duhita, Duhitarau, Duhitaraha. Aduhat, Aduhan. Aduhatam, Aduhan. Aduhan means milked, past tense. These two verbs are here past tense. The previous verbs in your watch. Ayachat is past tense. Aduhan is also past tense. Duhitaraha, Putriyaha, Aduhan, milked. Daughters milked. What did they milk? Payaha, Aduhan. They milked the milk. Of what animals milk? Ajam. Goat's milk here. She goat. Daughters milked the she goat here. Milked milk from the she goat. Daughters Duhitaraha, Ajam, Payaha, Aduhan. Not Duhanti but Aduhan. Milked. Daughters milked the she goat of its milk. Milked the she goat. In other words, Ajam, Ajam, Aja, Ajay, Ajaha, Ajam, Ajay, Ajaha. Gopalaha, next.
Gopalaha
Gam, Gramam, Harati. So Gopalaha is a cowherd. Harati is taking to the village, Gramam. What is he taking to the village? Gam, a cow. So a cowherd is leading a cow to the village. A cowherd is taking a cow to the village. That is the meaning. Gopalaha gam gramam harati is taking, is carrying cow to the village. Last word one. Bhrutyaha dravyam.
Vipanim vahati.
That is one. Last word one I said. Bhrutyaha, a servant vahati is carrying. Bhrutyaha vahati. What is he carrying? Kim vahati? Vipanim vahati. He is dravyam vipanim. He is taking to the market. What is he taking to the market? Dravyam, money. A servant is carrying to the market money, or a servant is carrying money to the market. Dravyam dhanam vipanim apanam vahati is taking. And the last one.
Bhaktaha
Jagannathasya ratham Gundicha.
Gundicha mandiram karshanti.
So here again two words are here. Gundicha mandiram is one karma, ratham is another karma. Bhaktaha, the devotees, karshanti are pulling the Jagannathasya ratham, the chariot of Lord Jagannatha in Odisha, to the Gundicha Mandiram. Where are they pulling it to? Gundicha Mandiram. They are taking it to the Gundicha Mandira. So we will again analyze these sentences in the next class, Srinivas. Shubham Bhuyat.